Understanding the tree seed bank concept. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic: tree seed banks. This concept is not just important for botanists and environmentalists, but for everyone who cares about our planet. Let's explore what a tree seed bank is and why it's vital for our environment. A tree seed bank is a type of repository where seeds of various tree species are stored for preservation. The main goal is to safeguard these seeds against extinction and ensure biodiversity. These banks can be found around the world, acting as a safeguard for future reforestation and research purposes. Tree seed banks are crucial for several reasons. 1. Biodiversity conservation. They preserve a wide variety of tree species, some of which are rare or endangered. 2. Climate change mitigation. Trees play a significant role in absorbing carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas. By preserving tree seeds, we're also fighting climate change. 3. Reforestation and restoration. In case of environmental disasters or deforestation, these seeds can be used to restore lost forests. The process involves several steps. 1. Collection. Seeds are collected from different tree species, often from various geographic regions. 2. Testing and treatment. Seeds undergo testing for viability and are treated to prevent diseases. 3. Storage. Seeds are stored in controlled environments, usually in cool, dry conditions to prolong their viability. While tree seed banks offer many benefits, there are challenges. Genetic diversity. Ensuring a wide genetic variety within stored seeds is complex. Climate change effects. Changing climates can affect the viability of stored seeds. Future efforts focus on expanding the variety of stored seeds and improving storage techniques. We hope this video has shed light on the fascinating world of tree seed banks and their importance in conserving our planet's green heritage. Remember, every tree seed stored is a step towards a greener and healthier Earth. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more enlightening content.